guys, welcome again on AB Tech channel. Today we are going to see how to plug Arduino in this breadboard. How to plug this type of Arduino, which called nano, in this breadboard. So before, we have seen that these holes, this hole and this hole are different, but this hole and this hole are the same. So our Arduino, we can't plug Arduino in this way, because this is one line. It means these pins, if we connect the Arduino in this way, our Arduino pins from here up to here will be shorted. So we have to connect our Arduino in this way, and you push, then your Arduino is very clear plugged in your breadboard. You can connect all components here and connect to your Arduino. So this is how to connect Arduino on breadboard.